friends and parents. In this video, we are going to learn about India Gate. India Gate is one of the greatest monuments in India. To teach monuments of India to your kids, you can choose this Imagimake's greatest product where you can teach the history of India in an easy, playful way. Click the link in the description which will redirect you to their Imagimake's Great Festive Sale, which is from 12th to 15th of August, where you can get a 45% off on their product. Baby, come, let's get into the video and make India Gate. What are you assembling, baby?
India Gate.
Where is it located?
Delhi.
In which year?
1931. Why was India Gate built, Mom?
Baby, India Gate was built on the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed during the World War I. Do you know how many Indian soldiers were killed during that time? It was 80,000 people, baby, who sacrificed their lives in World War I to protect our India. Baby, now let us salute the Indian soldiers and the freedom fighters for protecting our India. Baby, now you got to know about India Gate. In the next video, we'll